Imagine creating 10 high-quality shorts in the time it takes others to make just one. Sounds impossible? Let me introduce you to a game-changing AI tool that's become the secret weapon for smart creators. This free tool is transforming how content is made, giving users a massive advantage. Whether you're trying to grow your existing channel or start a new one from scratch, this could be the shortcut you've been dreaming of. Ready to revolutionize your content creation process? I'll show you exactly how to use this tool to skyrocket your productivity and leave your competition wondering what hit them. I've linked it all down in the description, so be sure to check it out. Now picture this. You're a content creator, and your day starts with the all-too-familiar sight of a blank screen staring back at you. It's time to make another video, but the pressure is mounting. You know you need to post something today, or you'll fall behind. Sound familiar? The world of short-form content creation is intense. Creators spend hours daily coming up with ideas, filming, and editing to keep up with platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. It's a constant hustle that can be overwhelming. Let me tell you about a creator I know. They had a decent following and were posting daily content, but after months of nonstop work, they hit a wall. The pressure to maintain that schedule was seriously affecting their mental health and creativity. They were close to quitting altogether. On average, creators spend 3 to 5 hours making just one short-form video. That's coming up with ideas, writing scripts, shooting, editing, and posting. Multiply that by 7 days a week, and you can see how it adds up. The mental and emotional toll is huge, with many creators dealing with anxiety and depression. Here's a shocking fact: about 70% of content creators experience burnout at some point. That's the majority of creators out there, struggling to keep up with the demand for fresh content while maintaining their well-being. So, what's the solution? How can creators meet the demand without sacrificing their mental health and creativity? That's where tools like StoryShort AI come in. This AI-powered tool is designed to automate parts of the content creation process, potentially cutting down that 3 to 5 hour production time significantly. Now, you might be thinking, AI-generated content? Won't that sound robotic? But hear me out. Some creators have been using AI tools to generate shorts, and they're seeing amazing results. We're talking millions of views on their AI-assisted content. It's not about replacing creativity, it's about giving creators a helping hand. StoryShort AI is about helping creators maintain consistency without burning out. Imagine being able to produce multiple video series consistently, posting engaging content across various platforms, all without the stress of constant production. That's the kind of game changer we're talking about here. For our creator friend who was on the brink of quitting, a tool like StoryShort AI could have been a lifesaver. Instead of spending hours staring at a blank screen, they could have used AI to generate ideas and even rough scripts. This could have reduced their daily workload, eased the pressure, and helped them maintain their creative spark. By automating some of the more time-consuming tasks, creators can focus on what they do best, being creative and connecting with their audience. It's about working smarter, not harder, and finding a sustainable way to thrive in the fast-paced world of content creation. StoryShort AI isn't just another AI tool. It's like having a personal content studio at your fingertips. This powerful platform can generate multiple video series across different topics, allowing you to create a history facts channel and a motivational content channel simultaneously, all managed from one easy-to-use dashboard. The platform uses advanced AI models for script writing, voice synthesis, and image generation. It's like having a virtual production team, leveraging tools like 11 Labs and OpenAI for realistic voiceovers and creating visuals comparable to Midjourney. You might be skeptical about AI-generated content, but StoryShort AI offers extensive customization options. You can choose from dozens of hyper-realistic AI voices and thousands of background music tracks to tailor your videos to your specific audience. Creating content with StoryShort AI is straightforward. You start by selecting your topic and content type, then choose your AI voice and background music. The AI handles the script writing, visual generation, and puts it all together. Whether you're into history facts, motivational clips, or other niches, the AI adapts to create tailored scripts and visuals. Some users have mentioned that while the voiceovers are hyper-realistic, they might lack emotional nuance. There's also feedback that AI-generated visuals can sometimes feel repetitive. These are important points to consider, but the customization options can help address these issues, allowing you to add your personal touch to the content. One of the biggest advantages of StoryShort AI is its ability to help with consistent posting. The platform allows for direct integration with TikTok and YouTube for auto-publishing. You can set up your content schedule and let the AI handle posting for you, saving you time and effort. When comparing StoryShort AI to manually created content, the efficiency is remarkable. You can create 10 high-quality shorts in the time it usually takes to make just one manually. This significant boost in production speed can be a game changer for content creators looking to grow their online presence quickly and efficiently. StoryShort AI is more than just a content creation tool. It's a comprehensive solution for creators who want to produce high-quality, varied content across multiple niches without the time-consuming process of manual creation. While it may not perfectly replicate human-created content in every aspect, its efficiency and customization options make it a valuable asset for many content creators. Imagine waking up to find your channels buzzing with new, engaging content, all created while you slept. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's exactly what some creators are experiencing with StoryShort AI. Let me show you how this tool can transform your channel from a one-man show into a content powerhouse without losing your personal touch. With StoryShort, you can set up multiple video series tailored to different niches. Create a daily tech news series, a weekly motivation series, and a monthly product review series all at once. The best part? You set it up once and it runs on autopilot. The auto-publishing feature maintains a daily posting schedule, crucial for staying in your audience's feed and boosting views and engagement. Now, you might worry about your content feeling robotic, but here's the thing. StoryShort is designed to produce engaging and unique videos. The key is using it to enhance your creativity, not replace it. Mix AI-generated shorts with your own personal content. Use StoryShort for quick news updates or fact-based content while you focus on more personal, opinion-based videos. Here's a simple strategy. Use StoryShort's trending topic library to align with viral themes. Then add your personal touch by recording a quick intro or outro for each AI-generated video. Your audience still gets to see and hear you, even in the automated content. Let's talk about time saving. With StoryShort, you can create 10 high-quality shorts in the time it used to take for one. That's a game changer. If you used to spend 5 hours a day creating content, you could save 35 hours a week. That's almost a full work week to focus on other aspects of your business or actually have a life outside of content creation. I know some of you worry about quality. That's why it's important to review and tweak the AI-generated shorts before publishing. Add your own flair, adjust the script, or re-record parts of the voiceover if needed. Remember, StoryShort AI is a tool to assist you, not replace your creativity. Some channels using AI-generated shorts have seen incredible success. There are reports of channels making over $1,500 a day from ad revenue alone. Now, I'm not saying you'll see these results overnight, but it shows the potential of this content strategy. To make the most of StoryShort, use its library of thousands of songs for background music. This can enhance your video's emotional appeal. Also, try different pricing plans. Start small and scale up as your channel grows. With StoryShort AI, you're not just saving time, you're opening doors to creative freedom and personal growth. It's time to stop burning out and start creating efficiently. AI is revolutionizing content creation, with StoryShort AI leading the charge. It's making high-quality video production accessible to everyone, leveling the playing field in the content world. This tool is redefining how we approach content creation, opening new possibilities for creators. Are you ready to stop wasting hours and start living your passion? The future of content creation is here, and you can be part of it. Imagine generating videos in seconds and automatically posting them to your social media. That's the power of StoryShort AI. You'll find it all down below in the description. The choice is yours. Stick with the old grind or embrace this new frontier. Why not give it a shot? Sign up for free and see how StoryShort AI can transform your content game. The future starts now. Are you ready to take control?